Rob Plumridge, product manager at Acerta. We had a question from a senior manufacturing engineer the other day, and he was wondering, when a manufacturer uses line pulse, who owns and controls their data?
Our customers own their data. We owning their customers' data really has no value to us. We look at that IP. It's unique to each customer and their process, and we're just stewards of it. We hold it to give them insights, and we keep it in our infrastructure for the sole purpose of accelerating the speed at which we can provide those insights back to the customer.
And does their data get ever mixed with any other customer's data? Can customers see each other's data? Anything like that?
Common question. I think, especially when we look at our customers, depending on what their familiarity is with like modern IT structures and whatnot, and especially cloud solutions. But no, every customer's data is isolated. We're SOC 2, so you can Google that and have an idea of kind of the protocols we go through as far as understanding security awareness and ensuring that all of our customers' data is secure. There's no vulnerabilities as far as accessing networks. And yeah, so it's definitely something that's in the foundation of how we've structured our product to ensure that it meets all those guidelines.
Gotcha. Okay. So the customer owns their data. No other
Mhm.
customers can see their data in the platform. Now, what about Acerta? Does Acerta ever use a manufacturer's data to train algorithms similar to kind of how LLMs may use information from the web to train their algorithms?
Um, the simple answer again for that is no. Acerta does not um, take the data from our customers to train models. What Acerta provides to customers isn't train models. We provide model architectures. Think of your equations from school. We have a common equation of how we're going to solve a problem, but each solution is different for each set of inputs, right? So the difference with that is um, trained models are what a lot of people are familiar with in the sense that we took all this data, like let's take some of the generative AI LLMs, they go out and crawl the internet to be able to learn all these different things about human speech patterns or written words and what those relationships are. And so it takes all those and basically computes what's expected based on different patterns.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rob Plumridge.
Thanks, Angela.